Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Native New Yorker. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a digital vision board just like this. The apps we're going to be using today is Canva and Pics. When you go to Canva, type in vision board, collage, or template. One thing I love about Canva is that they give you a ton of different templates that you can work with. The next thing you want to do is find a template that you like. Now, before we get into the next step, you should have already had pictures in mind that you want to add to your vision board because you can't do the next step without them. So if you didn't already, go ahead and find pictures that align with you and how you foresee and envision your new year. Once you have all your pictures, the next thing you want to do is click any photo on a template, and on the bottom left, click on replace. Then go to camera roll. Here you'll see all of your recent photos in your album, but specifically for this video, I made an album just for the pictures I'll be using for this digital vision board. From here, if you click on all the photos that you like to add, it's going to be a clutter of photos on top of the template. You don't want to do that because it's a mess and I like to be organized. So instead, you want to click on one photo on the template and replace each one of them individually. As you can see here, all I'm doing is deleting photos and we're going to do it one by one. I'm adding myself because the world revolves around me, duh. This is my world and y'all just live in it, okay? But for real, it is about me and my goals, and I don't believe in adding other people in my vision board. This year, I'll be starting a luxury perfume collection, stacking my money, reading books, traveling, and getting more into self-care. After you added all your photos, I always suggest you add affirmations to your vision board. It will help set the tone for the things that you want to accomplish or embody. I'm going to add my own affirmations that align with me and my goals this year. I'm adding self-care because I want to focus more on that this year. I want to experience luxury, so I'm adding that. I want to make sure that I'm always growing in all areas of my life and that I am prosperous with everything that I do. I want to make sure my bank of abundance is always full and overflowing and never runs dry. I want to make sure that I'm in alignment with everything that I do and the people that are around me are in alignment with me as well. And if you want to, you can always add more. If there are not enough boxes for your affirmation and you would like to continue to use the same font, all you have to do is click on a box or word like you're getting ready to type, and right next to that trash can, you'll see a plus sign. If you click that, that will make a duplicate of that box, and all you have to do is fill it in. Now, all I'm doing here is working on placements and cropping my photos to my liking. This template came with a tab that says New Year Goals and Mood Board. All I'm doing is just replacing that with Vision Board and adding the year. When you're done, all you have to do is click the drop down arrow at the top right hand corner and download. It's going to give you a few options. You can send an image through text or save it to your phone. Click save image. Now I'm going to show you how you can make this your screensaver without any cutouts, meaning you could see the whole vision board on your screen. So you want to open up Pics. If any ads pop up, just click the X button on either the top right hand corner or the top left hand corner. Click freestyle. Click on your vision board and click add. You see how it's a white border around your photo? That's exactly what you want. So when you save this as your screensaver or as your lock screen, you can see the whole vision board and not just parts of it or half of it. You can change this color if you like by sliding the toolbar to the left. Click background. Here they have a ton of different backgrounds you can use, and if you go to color, you can change the color of your background. But I'm going to leave mine white. Now I'm just adding it and making it a little bigger, but just enough so you can still see the border. After you're done with that, download and save that image. After you exit out of PicsArt, go to your photo gallery and click edit, save as wallpaper, and just adjust it to your liking. I always suggest saving your vision board as your screensaver because every day we wake up and you look at or you pick up your phone. This will help you every day to keep those goals in mind and will be a reminder to you to have and keep self-discipline so you can obtain those things. I have a podcast called One with the Sun Podcast, and I have an episode on there explaining the power of vision boards. On there is where I go in depth on how you can use your vision boards to manifest your goals and do's and don'ts when it comes to making your vision boards as well. I will link that in the description. Check it out and follow my podcast on Instagram at One with the Sun Podcast. With all that being said, there you have it, your digital vision board. I hope this was helpful. Share this with somebody you love. Thank you for watching. Peace.